Now we are going to make a dashboard of projects. For this, we have imported our project spreadsheet, in which we have the project code, the sector, the value spent, the value negotiated, the discount, the lead, the beginning of the project, the end of the project, the date of the term, the responsibility, the status. So, first, we are going to add a background to our chart.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
We will add an image that is below that you can occupy too. So just do it and download this image ready. Now first we are going to add a card here. Let's make a little card for our project here, where we will start adding our information. First, I want to put the information of the total opportunity, which is this information here. I will also reduce it to fit in our project. Our category label, I will make it smaller here. Now I'm just going to customize it as effects and remove the background. I will also remove, here I will put it in white, here I will increase it a little, 30, to get a nice volume. Here in category label, I will also put it in black and white, and I will put 9, okay? Ready? Now, I'm just going to press Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to put it here, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to put it here, for the next of our cards. Now, I'm going to put the presentations, here, visualization, here, put our visualization right, so it gets better, here, just position. When I was taking the filters, it was with a slightly limited visualization, great. Here I will put, instead of projects, I will put the projects, through opportunities, I will put the closed projects, here. Here I will put the total deletes, here the total paid, and here I will put the total discount. Here I'm just going to see what. We can do here to fix it, which is the matter of customization. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to exclude here and exclude here. I'm going to customize it, and after, I already leave the default for the others, and I will just add. So, here it was okay. Come down here and come here. So let's just replace it with the total paid. Here, formatting. Let's see why it didn't copy the formatting. So I'll have to put it here. Manual, here, and here is the total discount. I will put it in coin format. Now our first part of our dashboard of projects is already ready. Now I will start adding our graphics. The first graphic I will add is a graphic of total paid and total discount per year. So I will add here our card more. Or less, where I will put the data information and the information of the discount per year, so I will put the discount paid and also the discount, the total paid and total discount. And here I will put the date that we have here. Here our date, I will put 1 per year only. I will remove this information from the quarter. Ready? Now I will customize our graphic, put the data label. I will also add some questions. Here I will remove the background, the title. I will put the total paid here. That's right. The title is right. Background, color. Okay. Let's remove some information that is not necessary. Here also, here the values to put in the white color. Here also, here it is not. Necessary, here in the white color. Okay, and our caption I will also remove and customize our graphic. Let me minimize all this information to make it clearer. Column, here I will put a green color, and in this other, this same color, and I will put a border effect here. Ready? Our first graphic is ready. I will copy and paste to come here, where I will put the date information, right, per year, and also here, the quarter also, and also another information that I will add is the total of closed projects. So here I will remove this information and put the closed projects and put in lines, but here in this other information. I will put our line chart with a different color. In this color here, no, in this color it doesn't show. In this one it looks cool. Ready? Our other chart is also ready. Now I'm going to press Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to put another chart. I will add it here, where I will put the total opportunity by status. Here I will put this type of chart. Here in category I will remove. In category I will put the status information and the total opportunity. Here, right. I will copy this formatting and I will put the information also of this type a little clearer here. So, our other dashboard, our project dashboard, is ready. It is very cool, where we have the information very clear, and so we can adapt to our projects.